Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful natural duo that has been used for centuries to boost health and well-being, ginger and moringa. From strengthening your immune system to supporting heart health, regulating blood sugar, and even aiding weight management, these two superfoods pack a serious punch. Let's explore why they're so beneficial and how you can easily add them to your daily routine. Number 1. Immune support. Both ginger and moringa are loaded with antioxidants that protect your body from harmful free radicals. This helps lower oxidative stress and gives your immune system a real boost. Here's why they work together. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps fight off infections. Moringa is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and other essential nutrients that support and strengthen your immune system. Number 2. Fighting inflammation. Inflammation is one of the main drivers behind many chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. The combination of ginger and moringa works as a natural defense against inflammation. Ginger helps lower the production of inflammatory cytokines, which are often linked to chronic conditions. Moringa contains isothiocyanates, plant compounds that have been shown to suppress inflammation throughout the body. Number 3. Digestive health. If you often experience bloating, gas, or indigestion, ginger and moringa can help soothe your digestive system and promote healthier digestion. Ginger stimulates saliva and bile production, making it easier to break down food while easing nausea and indigestion. Moringa supports gut health by encouraging the growth of good bacteria and helping relieve constipation. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. For those managing high blood sugar or type 2 diabetes, ginger and moringa can help regulate blood sugar naturally. Ginger improves insulin sensitivity, which helps reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar. Moringa regulates insulin production and improves glucose metabolism, supporting more stable blood sugar levels. Number 5. Heart health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger and moringa work together to protect your heart. They help lower cholesterol, improve circulation, and even reduce blood pressure. Ginger reduces LDL cholesterol and supports natural blood pressure regulation. Moringa helps prevent plaque buildup in the arteries and improves overall circulation. Number 6. Weight management. Ginger and moringa can also support healthy weight management by boosting metabolism, improving digestion, and reducing cravings. Ginger increases thermogenesis, helping your body burn more calories. Moringa is low in calories but packed with essential nutrients, making it a perfect addition to a weight loss-friendly diet. Number 7. Detoxification. Both ginger and moringa have natural detoxifying properties that help your body eliminate toxins and support liver health. Ginger stimulates circulation and encourages sweating, helping flush out toxins naturally. Moringa contains compounds that aid in detoxifying the liver and kidneys, supporting better organ function. How to use ginger and moringa. Getting the benefits of ginger and moringa is easy. You can enjoy them as a tea, smoothie, or even add them to your cooking. Here's a simple tea recipe to get you started. Ginger and moringa tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon moringa powder, or a handful of fresh moringa leaves, 2 cups water, honey, optional. Instructions: boil 2 cups of water and add the grated ginger. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and add moringa powder or fresh leaves. Steep for another 5 minutes. Strain, add honey if desired, and enjoy. Conclusion: the combination of ginger and moringa is a natural powerhouse with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity and fighting inflammation to regulating blood sugar, supporting heart health, aiding digestion, and promoting weight management, these superfoods can help protect and strengthen your body in many ways. Adding them to your daily routine is simple, delicious, and incredibly effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies.